let's say you came across what we have on the whiteboard. Guys, let's take a look at it together. A given volume of methane diffused in 20 seconds. How long will it take the same volume of sulfur oxide to diffuse under the same condition? Are you just coming across this video for the first time as a Jambite who is willing to see it for the forthcoming examination? This particular video is for you. Now, what is this all about? The moment you hear a question that deals with diffusion, that means we are taking a look at what? Graham's law of diffusion. Now, how can we deduce the formula to use in this type of equation? You don't have to panic, because you can say the time of methane divided by the time of sulfur oxide equal to the square root of the relative molecular mass of methane divided by the relative molecular mass of sulfur oxide. Now that a given volume of methane diffused in 20 seconds, the time of methane is given, so we said we have T of methane is 20 seconds. Now, what is the time of sulfur oxide? We don't know it. The relative molecular mass of methane, the atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 1 times 4. That will give us 12 plus 4. So we have 16 gram per mole of methane. What is the relative molecular mass of sulfur oxide? The atomic mass of sulfur is 32 plus 16. What do you have here? Multiply by 2. So we said 32 plus 16 times 2 will give us 32. So we have 64 gram per mole. So guys, if you observe vividly, I've shown you guys the parameters of the formula we employed here. Now, let's input all what you have here to this. So we said TCH4, that will give us 20, the time of methane, divided by the time of sulfur oxide. So guys, what is the relative molecular mass of the two compounds respectively? For this, we have 16. For this, we have 64 gram per mole. This, we cancel this. So guys, what is the square root of 16? We have 4. The square root of this is 8. So guys, the time of sulfur oxide equal, when you cross multiply, what are we going to have? We can easily say we have the time of sulfur oxide multiplied by 4 equal 20 seconds multiplied by 8. That will give us what? 20 multiplied by 8. I have 4 times the time of sulfur equal to 160 seconds. Divide both side by 4. Divide both side by 4. So this cancel this. The time of sulfur oxide is given to be 40 seconds. So guys, let's take a look at what we have on the whiteboard. Option A, we have 5 seconds. No. Option B, we have 20 seconds. No. Option C is the same thing we had on that whiteboard, which is 40 seconds with respect to what we have solved. So guys, option C is the correct answer, 40 seconds. So guys, if you are just coming across this type of a video or question for the first time, I will advise you to watch the video to the end. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow us on our TikTok page, share, like, repost our video, and if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment box.